Okay, about couple days ago, I started up my panel truck, and so today it has a couple flat tires, and I think I'm going to put some switch them out with some tires that have holding air. Hopefully, they're holding air. So let me turn the camera around, show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, this is the back of the panel truck, and this is the tire. It's not holding much air, but I do have the original tire and rim here. I don't know if it's an original tire, but it's an old tire, an original rim, and I'm going to switch it out, and hopefully this tire is holding air. It feels like it, but I can't get the valve stem cap off, and I'm afraid if I try I might break it. So I'm just going to put this wheel on there and see if it works. Got the wheel on, seems to be holding air. The next project is going to be starting up this 32. It looks like it's going to rain for the next few days, so I'll have to wait till the rain stops. And another look at the front of the 41 Ford panel truck. Well, I think that's just about going to do it for today. I'm going to put my tools away and see how this video turns out.